In the last year alone, I've been able to consistently get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views every single month, grow a following of over 150,000 followers, and make over $20,000 in a single month of creating content. And the craziest part about all of this is that I use AI to create most of my content. But here's the thing, right? I didn't use ChatGPT, Claude, or any of those other AI tools that you probably have heard about. I'm using an AI tool that 99% of creators do not know about. Up to this point, I spent thousands of dollars testing out a bunch of AI tools, and nothing even comes close to this one AI tool. The name of this tool is Poppy AI, and I can almost guarantee that you've never heard of it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use this AI tool to write viral scripts for me in less than 10 minutes of using the tool. So now I'm going to switch over to my computer and show you the tool. Alrighty guys, so to get started, you can either press the first link in the description, or you can just search up Poppy AI on Google, and then you'll see this link right here. Just press on it, and then once you're here, just scroll down to the bottom and press Get Poppy AI. All right, so now you're on the screen where you have to pay. They have a couple options for pricing. I would personally just get the 1-year plan, and then if you guys want, I do have a coupon code that you can use. Just type in Chaso, and you should get 25 bucks off. Let's see. Yeah, so you get $25 off. In this video, I'll also show you that it does have ChatGPT built in. So you do get ChatGPT plus a bunch of other features that you wouldn't normally get with ChatGPT. So I would definitely recommend getting this tool. All right, guys, so once you've bought it, you should see this screen right here. So what you want to do is press on new board right here. Now name your board. I'm just going to name it board 1. So then it'll open up this board. And now what we're going to do is train the AI to know what our tone of voice is and how we speak, so it can script the content in our tone of voice. So to do this, what you want to do is first press G to open up this group, and now copy and paste like 3 to 4 different videos from yourself. It could be short form videos on Instagram, TikTok, or even long form videos from YouTube. If you have both, I would suggest adding as much content as possible. So I'm gonna real quick just pull up my YouTube and my Instagram and just start pasting in some content. All right guys, so just like this, literally go over your videos, copy the link, and then just go back to Poppy and just press paste. So for me, it's Command B. And then just do this with a couple more videos. I'm just going to add in this one right here. This one right here. I'll probably add like 4 videos from my short form. Even like this one. I'm adding in videos where I feel like I show more of my personality, so it can really get an understanding of who I am when scripting out the content. And then I'll go back to my YouTube, and then from here I'll just copy the links to my last couple videos. Now paste that into there. It's so crazy how easy it is to do this. Like, it literally takes like 5 minutes to just input your videos, right? And now guys, you want to make sure that your videos are actually in the group itself. So as you can see, it's in the group. Now, once the videos are done transcribing, what you want to do is press C, and this will open up this AI chatbot. And what you want to do is connect this dot to this dot right here. So now the videos are connected to the AI chatbot, and make sure it's on Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And then what you're gonna do is type in this exact prompt. I'm just copying and pasting this from a document that I just had on the side, but this is the prompt: analyze my content that I have grouped together and tell me how I speak in my content. How do I talk? What is my tone of voice? What phrases do I use, etc. And I'll give it literally like a minute to think and tell you what your tone of voice is. So as you guys can see, this literally broke down my tone of voice and how I speak. So it says I'm confident and authoritative, direct and straightforward, motivational, encouraging, which is very true. That is kind of how my content is on Instagram. Some phrases that I use: listen to this, lock in, I promise you. This really does understand how you talk, and this is gonna help when it starts scripting out your content for you. So now guys, we've successfully trained Poppy to understand our tone of voice so it can start scripting. The next step is actually to feed content into Poppy so it has some material to work with, so it can start scripting out the videos for us. And we're not just going to add any random videos. We're going to actually find viral videos in our niche, which I'll show you guys right now on how to do. And then that way, when it starts scripting out the actual content itself, it's going to be based on videos that already went viral in your niche, so you have a much higher chance of actually going viral with this. So what you guys want to do is open up TikTok. Now, once you're on this page, let's just say that you're in the fitness niche and you talk specifically about how to cook healthy meals, right? So what I would do is just search up keywords related to that. So I could just literally search up healthy meal prep. And for some reason, the views aren't showing, but usually at the bottom here, it will show the views on the video itself. But anything that has a ton of likes, like this one with 38K, this one with 57K, I would definitely copy these ones, because to me, that's an indicator that I did go viral. So what you want to do is open up the video.
Easiest way,
just press copy link, go back to Poppy, and down here, just paste it and make sure to move it out of the first group. And I'll do this with a couple more videos. And then you also want to go on YouTube and do the exact same thing. So I just typed in healthy meal plans here. And the way you want to do is press filters and filter it by this year. Now you'll see videos that went viral in your niche from this past year alone. So I'm just going to scroll down until I see a video that I want to add. So like this one right here from this creator, it got 1.9 million views in 10 months. What I would do is just copy the link, go back to Poppy and just paste it into here. And I'll find a couple more videos that you can also add in. So this one right here, I'm going to copy, and this is the last video I'm going to copy into here. And now guys, what you want to do is do the exact same thing. Press G to open up another group. And now start grouping these videos into this group right here. And I definitely recommend that you guys title the groups a specific name. So for this one, it could be viral inspo videos. And then for the first group that I made, I could just type in Chaso's content. And that's it for finding viral videos, guys. The next step is actually scripting out the content itself. So the way to do this is by linking the new viral inspo videos group to the AI chatbot again. And then from here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Now we're going to give it a prompt to actually script all the videos for us. I do want to mention, guys, the prompt has to be very detailed if you want a really good response. Like a surface level prompt, very similar to ChatGPT, it won't give you a good output. So the more detailed your prompt is, the better the output you'll get. I definitely recommend playing around with it and see what works best. I'm gonna copy this prompt from this other document I have on the side right here and paste it into here. So prompt that I have right here is rewrite the group of videos in the viral inspo content group and create a new YouTube script for me that follows my tone of voice, languaging, and speaking style. Add a new unique twist to it. Come up with 5 different titles for the video. For the value, make sure it is actionable, value-based, and incorporates the best elements from the viral inspo content I provided. This prompt isn't too detailed, but it's also not too basic. This should be enough to get a baseline script. So what I'm gonna do is just press enter, and now it should start cooking. So now guys, once you have the output, just scroll to the top, and the first thing you'll see are 5 banger titles. Like these are actually genuinely really good titles that you could just use and don't even have to change. The first one, I'll just read it, is I lost 50 pounds without a diet plan and made 10K doing it. The Millionaire Morning Meal Plan changed my life in 30 days. How I turned my weight loss into a 10K a month business. So obviously guys, this is pulling from my own content, which I talk about how to make money online. So it's kind of incorporating both of the types of content. You ideally want to attach videos that are related to your niche. For me, it's literally mixing weight loss and meal plans with running a business and making money online. So that's why it came up with these titles. But if you scroll down here, you'll see the script. And as you can see, it's a pretty long script. I would definitely recommend adjusting it a bit and even telling it to add some more to it if you want. But I'm going to read out the script so you guys see the tone of voice and how it really does match me. So it says, listen to this. If you've been struggling to lose weight while building your business, this video is about to change your life. Not even 6 months ago, I was stuck at Best Buy, overweight, and absolutely hated my life. It's so crazy that this literally pulled from my own video. Like this is context from where I was actually working. Like I was genuinely working at Best Buy. I was broke, and it's just bringing in different elements of the videos I attached to it and literally creating a banger script that's in my tone of voice and very custom to me. ChatGPT could never do this. Claude AI could never do this. I personally like to go through the script and tell it what to change specifically. So let's just say I want to change out the intro. What I would do is just copy the intro and I'll say, I don't really like the tone of voice used in the intro. I think it should focus more on a healthy meal plan rather than talking about how to make money. Just an example. And then I'll literally attach the specific part and then I'll press enter. And now it'll adjust it in a couple seconds for you. Listen to this. If you're tired of eating the same boring chicken and rice every single day, this video is about to change your life. The weird thing is, most people think they need to suffer through bland meals to get results, but I'm about to show you exactly how I lost 50 pounds eating foods that I actually enjoyed. Like this is a great script. Like I personally don't even think you need to change the intro. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. It's a very simple, straightforward tutorial on how to use Poppy AI. I highly recommend that you guys do get this tool and try it out for yourselves. I can't even put into words how great this tool actually is. I'm literally using Poppy to script all my content for me. Even this video you're watching right now was partly scripted with Poppy AI. So if you guys found value in this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more value. And if you guys want to check out the tool, just use the first link in the description or use my code CHASO to get $25 off any plan that you select. But yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.